Pad Thai, Tom Yum, Green Curry. Everyone loves Thai food, but are you paying too much? After talking to a few locals, I realized I've been overpaying for food on my first day here in Phuket. Mango sticky rice, 100 Thai Bahts. Coffee, 50 Bahts. Pad Thai, 100 Bahts. So in today's episode, we'll be hitting the streets again on the hunt for some cheap and delicious Thai food. Let's go! To begin with, let's go and ask a local what he thinks the fair price is.
I'm not exactly too sure what the price range would be for like food. What do you think it's like a good amount of money to spend?
I think street food is better.
Yeah, street food.
Yeah, 60.
60?
Yeah,
60?
50, yeah.
Wow, okay. Wow. Because I see most of the restaurants here, they're around like 100. Because tourists, yeah, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
More expensive.
I see, right.
40 baht.
No way. No way. So what's your name? I haven't got your
My
name.
name is King.
King.
And you?
Justin.
Justin, really nice to see you, Justin.
Yeah, nice meeting you.
Yeah,
You
nice
speak
to meet
really
you.
good English as well.
Appreciate it.
Really good English. Yeah.
Thank you, my friend. Thank you.
Yeah. See, Thai people are really nice, and I think this is the second Thai person that I just met on the street randomly and just started talking to them, and somehow just become friends. So it was only a few steps away, and then I just started talking to another local again. He reminded me that tomorrow is actually Chinese New Year. I should have known anyway. He suggested me to go to the Phuket town tomorrow, and apparently they celebrate Chinese New Year really huge there. So yeah, can't wait to go there tomorrow. Yeah. Bye. Have a good day. Bye. Here we are in the Phuket town district, and we're just walking past a lot of very pretty, very beautiful infrastructures. Now I'm just enjoying a casual stroll on the street. I'm just looking for some food as well. I haven't had breakfast yet. Yeah, we'll get some food now. How are you today? Can I get the cocoa milk tea?
Cocoa milk tea?
Yeah, that one.
With bubble, one is 29.
It's very hot today.
Yes.
Awesome, thank you so much. So it's a really hot day, and I brought this drink. Yeah, cocoa milk tea with bubbles, and that's 30 bahts, which is pretty reasonable. As you can see, I'm melting like a popsicle now because it was just way too hot. I saw online that there is this really famous roti place that I really want to try because I love roti. We are just slowly walking there while enjoying this drink. Roti in front?
Not too far, you go to there about not too far, about 50 meters.
50 meters?
Yeah,
okay, just in front. Yeah.
The one more, the own shop.
Okay, yeah. I love roti, so.
Go there.
Okay, I'll go there. Alright. So what happened was, we arrived here at the roti shop that we want to try, but then Chai here told me that it closes at midday, so now it's no longer open. And it opens at 5 AM also. So usually people came here really early and then sort of like finish in midday. So maybe another time for that restaurant. So after a few minutes walk on the streets, we found another roti shop here. Here we are at Aroon restaurant. Can I just have the roti with beef, please?
Yes. Sorry, beef already finished now.
Oh, what do you have?
Yes, we have like chicken curry, fish curry, and bean curry.
Ah, I'll get chicken curry.
Chicken curry?
Yeah,
Okay.
roti with chicken.
You want egg? Fried egg?
Yes, that'll be nice.
Okay. And any drink for you?
Nah, I think
No.
I'm good. Yeah,
Okay.
chicken roti.
Okay.
Thank you. So, as you can see, I've just ordered the chicken roti. I think it was around 60 Thai baht. I love roti, so I can't wait to take it. butter. Roti, yes. Oh, that looks really good. Roti canai. Yeah, roti canai.
เขาน่าเป็นคนฮ่องกงแต่เขาอยู่ที่ออสเตรเลีย
What is this here?
กันกัน
Bandang.
And one original.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
And this one, pandan.
Bandang.
Pandan, another one, charcoal.
Oh, charcoal.
Charcoal. You have
The bandang
pandan and charcoal.
and charcoal.
Thailand for roti biter.
Roti biter.
And that one roti charcoal. We have chicken curry, beef curry.
Ah,
With
yeah.
curry.
I just ordered this one.
Yeah, two.
I ordered that one
Yeah.
and chicken.
Yeah.
Because chicken.
This
Yeah.
one set.
Yeah.
And it's supposed to be, we have a bit, you come my restaurant, you must taste this one. Thai tea.
Thai tea.
Yeah, very famous.
Ah. Okay, I want to try this one.
You need some, do you want to see it? We can show for you.
Oh, that would be nice. Yeah.
Okay.
I would love to. Aroon restaurant.
Yes, sir.
Aroon restaurant. Guys, if you're around the area, make sure to check out Aroon restaurant.
And this one, very clear.
Yeah. And if you're not sure whether they're open or not, just call this number and what's your name, sir?
My name is Aroon.
Aroon. Oh, you're Aroon. Oh, yeah.
Nice to meet you. Where you from?
So I was from Hong Kong, but then I've lived in Australia the last 5 years. So yeah, Hong Kong and Aussie, I guess both.
I see.
Yeah.
I have so many stories.
So many stories.
Yes. Inside.
Ah, tell me about it.
Yeah.
I want to know. Ah, very nice.
This story from Australia. That's it.
Australia.
Yeah, this side.
It's a GSM magazine, and Aroon made it to the magazine. Beautiful. Wow. What an achievement. What an achievement. Yeah, that's a good picture. Yeah, that's a very good picture. Oh, same shirt as well. Same shirt. Same shirt.
Yes, right.
Do you wear this shirt every day?
Only one month, one time. You can wet him and he show you how to
Make the...
that one. Cha Chang Thai tea.
Oh, yes. That would be nice. Good stretch. Very nice. Oh. Yep.
Okay.
Give it a spin. How do you do this?
Okay.
So our roti has arrived, and this time we put the chicken roti with the egg, and we've also got the chicken curry there. So let's have our first bite. This looks too good. I don't want to drink it. It just looks too good. But now this roti. Now this roti here is a game changer. It's really, really crispy. The curry is really, really nice as well. Oh wow, look at that. Impressive skills, love it. This looks incredible. It looks too good. I don't really want to drink it right now, but just look at that. And there's the owner, Aroon. So make sure to say hello to him if you're around the area.
Welcome. Welcome. Don't forget when you came to Phuket, Aroon Restaurant.
Yep, Aroon Restaurant. Make sure to check it out. Roti. Thank you, man. Alright, this is beer. And he said to teach me some new Thai words. Thailand words, yeah. So, let's say goodbye. How do you say goodbye?
Just in Thai, it's like bye bye. Just say
Oh, just bye bye.
It's normal, yeah.
Okay, alright. And do you say how are you? Or
How are you? Yes.
Yeah.
If like how are you? Like Spidey Mike.
Spidey Mai?
Yes, that's Spidey Mike.
Spidey
Oh,
Mai.
that's good. That's really.
Spidey Mai.
Yeah.
I'm a quick learner.
Yeah.
That's good.
Spidey Mike, like how are you?
Because I know in some like Asian countries, yeah, like for example like Hong Kong, we don't really say how are you. We don't really say that.
Yeah.
We just say hi.
Yeah. But Thailand like say hello, say like Sawadee-ka.
Yeah, Sawadee. Oh yeah, true, Sawadee-ka.
Sawadee-ka. And Spidey Mike. Spidey Mike is like how are you?
Spidey Mai, how are you?
Yeah. It's like fine. It's good. Spidey. Spidey is like
Spidey.
I'm good. Yeah.
Yeah. So you said how are you?
Yeah.
Is
Spidey Mike.
Spidey Mai, and then fine is Spidey.
Spidey. Yeah. This is
Spidey Mai, Spidey.
Spidey.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Thanks, Bia. So we are now still walking closer and closer to Chinatown. Apparently the next street I got to turn left and then we'll arrive Chinatown. So just spoke to a local. He's also a taxi driver here and he was telling me actually this whole area is Chinatown. So there is no like specific streets that's Chinatown. This whole area is basically Chinatown, and apparently Chinese New Year celebration happened last night, so it was just one day late. Anyway, I think we had a really good day here regardless.
After having a delicious meal, I continued on a hunt for cheap and delicious food here in Old Phuket town. I ended up getting a coconut for 20 Thai Bahts and a Thai sesame dessert for 10 Thai Bahts. Then I went to a local temple nearby. Overall, the average cost of a meal in Phuket is relatively more expensive. However, if you avoid touristy areas and explore local street food, you can still certainly find cheap, delicious meals here on the streets of Phuket. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to like and subscribe. Have a good day and I'll see you in the next one. Justin, just out.
Thai coffee.
I see.
I see. Alright, let's see. Traditional Thai iced coffee. Iced coffee. This iced coffee. Thai coffee.